you ever wonder why do you say bless you when you sneeze?
Why?
Yeah.
When someone's sneezing?
Yeah.
Because
What do you do then?
Actually, I don't know, but
I ask a question just to see what they think.
Why do I say bless you? Cultural habit. Manners.
Yeah.
My mama told me so.
Where does it come from?
Tradition.
Well, the way I grew up, we weren't really taught to say that, you know, like in our household it wasn't a thing that we would say.
Okay.
I learned that more based on the people that are around in like school and stuff like that. More like a difference in culture, I guess.
Because I always have. My parents did it when I was a kid, and people I know say it. I have never really thought about it.
My grandmother told me that the reason that you say bless you is because something to do with when you sneeze, like a demon that was in you is coming out of you, and so you say bless you to like congratulate you, I guess. Or something.
when somebody sneezes, they release
a lot of the times, like if you do hit it off,
all these little spirits into the atmosphere.
the bad things come out of it.
Yeah.
So you have to say it to like clear the bad things.
Yeah.
In French, I know that, the first time you sneeze is à tes souhaits, but then if you sneeze a second time, is à tes amours.
It's a common belief. I guess you just say, bless you. Maybe it's a sign from God that
Yes, maybe like a gift. Maybe.
you're a gift.
I'm guessing bless you must be Christian because of the blessing word. And in French, it's à vos souhaits, so I'm thinking maybe it's pagan because it was more wishing things.
Look at this at the biblical point of view. I asked Pastor Patterson if he is familiar.
But traditionally, there are some who believe that chances are it might be found in the Bible, but it has no biblical connotation. You know, it is just an ancient practice, and in some regard,
we wish you a good health.
you're getting rid of that sickness. So you're saying, the Lord bless you. Thank you, Lord, for getting rid of that bad spirit or that bad health that will make me healthy.
Well, we believe that when you sneeze, some part of your soul gets out of your body. So when we say bless you, it's like restoring it. I was just taught to say it.
For me, I guess it was just because my parents and my family always did this.
What's that all? It means wishes someone well to be healthy.
Kashlet. It has phonetic resemblance. Well, it's not belief or not belief, it's logical.
Some persons do not stop either to even ask, why do we say the Lord bless you after a sneeze? It is just...
I also asked an expert on theology, Dr. Paul Allen, see what his take on it.
So my name is Paul Allen, and I'm a professor in the Department of Theological Studies. So the origins of this benediction is from the 6th century, when Pope Gregory I recommended that anytime someone sneezes, that the words "God bless you" be spoken to that person. It was often assumed that a sneeze was the sign that someone could be getting the plague, so becoming sick. And so asking for God's blessing was seen as a way to try and ward off that fatal, or probably fatal.
Now modern days we understand is something of biological and not of spiritual. So understanding that, and they say take example for as a cough, maybe as another symptoms or another sign of like something's wrong inside.
Right.
Just trying to expel. Can you say bless you as well when you cough?
Oh, sure. Yeah, I mean, especially, I mean, if the cough is a sign that someone is becoming sick.
No, I would not agree to say bless you when you cough, because it is not associated with any ancient practice. You know, to say bless you when you cough would be starting a new thing.
Would you secure your health? Nazdravi.
See when somebody
Why not?
cough.
Yeah, maybe we should just start
Yeah.
telling people bless you even when they cough.
Okay. Based on all the answers, I think it's safe to say bless you. Someone that coughs. Someone that have a hiccup. Someone that burps. Leave you yawn. So next time someone gives a harder response.
So should I just wonder, or is there any rush?
What are you going to say?
Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless up.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bless you.
Nazdravi.
Salam.
Будь здоров.
À vos souhaits.
Bless you.
God bless you.
May the Lord bless you.